Hello, welcome back. I'm Dionne Swift. In this little workshop, I'd like to talk to you about needles, sewing machine needles. It is one of the things that I can hear almost instantly when I listen to sewing machines, and I can hear a blunt needle. The groove along the length of the needle is deeper and heavier than it is on a regular sewing needle. And doubled with that, the eye on a top stitching needle is larger. Get the needle right, change it regularly, change it before it breaks, and it will reward you 10 times over.